Today I'm going to show you how you can add music to your Instagram story, and this is a really simple thing, so without further ado, let's jump right into it. So the first thing you will need to do is open up your Instagram app. Once you open up Instagram, you will now need to go ahead and create your story as you would usually on Instagram. So if I go to my profile, click on my profile picture there and start a story, I can go ahead and choose a picture or head over to my camera in order to take one. Or you can also do this with videos. So for example, if I just click on this picture here, what it will do is it will bring up the picture, and if I wanted to add music to it, all I simply need to do is go to the top right. As you can see, you have a couple of options. You have a text option, and then right next to the text option you will have an icon which looks like a smiley face. All you simply need to do is click on this and it will allow you to add stickers. As you can see, there is a lot of stickers here, and one of them being music. If you select the music one, what that will do is it will show you a list of all the music which is on Instagram, or you can search in the search bar right there at the top. Once you are happy and you have picked a track, as you can see, I will just click on this one here, and then as you can see, it has now added it to my Instagram story. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.